Hello everyone, good news. The promo has been extended to the 3rd of September, which is great for those that couldn't meet up on the 22nd of August. So I remember that the promo was supposed to end on the 22nd of August, but now the estate management have considered, those people that couldn't make it due to, maybe one reason or the other, and then now extended the date to 3rd of September. So this is a great opportunity for every single member of estate that are looking to benefit from this promo to get in right now. Get in and lock into this promo. So for those that are waiting, the wait is over. Okay, and that means you have more time to take advantage of this amazing estate promotional opportunity from now until 3rd of September 2026. When you purchase 1,000 or more in any available estate property, you will receive an equal number of est in Venetian Villa. So basically, what estate is offering is 100% match. So if you purchase a property that is from 1,000 and above, they will give you the equivalent of that property in Venetian Villa, right? So let's say you purchase $1,500 worth of property. Estate says they are going to match that 1,500 in Venetian Villa. So basically, you are buying one and getting one free. And the good news is there is no maximum limit. What does it mean when they say no maximum limit? It means you can purchase multiple times of your 1,000 or maybe more than 1,000, and estate will match that with Venetian Villa between now and 3rd of September. And the good news again is the Venetian Villa is credited to your account within 12 hours. So basically, you are purchasing one property, but you are getting two properties. That is what it is, right? So I have never seen any promo that is going to be as good as this one. Okay, even the ones estate has done in the past and the ones that are going to do in the future, I don't think there will be any better promotional offer than this one. So if you were still thinking about joining or purchasing your fractional real estate or taking advantage of the promo, this is your sign, guys. This is your sign. Let's make most of this extension and keep building together. All right, this is basically what I posted on my Facebook anyway, to let you guys know that the promo has been extended. Now, these are the available properties that you can purchase from in the back office. Most of the properties have been sold out, so these are the ones that are currently available. So apartment in Miami, the Venetian Villa, the Lake House, Somira Villa, Sunset Villa development, and business development. These are the ones that are available right now. So let me give you an example. If you want to benefit from this promo, since we have all of these properties available, and let's say you have 1,000 and above, you can start from the Lake House. All right, so you can put 1,000 in the Lake House here, and then estate will credit your account within 12 hours, with 1,000 as well in Venetian Villa. Now, if you have more than 1,000, estate will do the same. For those that have higher funds, like 10,000 plus, you can put it on the Somira Villa. Okay, so if you purchase the Somira Villa for $10,000, for example, or the Sunset Villa for $15,000, you will get equivalent of that in Venetian Villa. So if you do Somira Villa, you are going to get another 10,000 in Venetian Villa. So your total investment will be $20,000 instead of $10,000. So this is a great opportunity, guys. This is where you need to actually plug into this promo, because it started from August 2026 and they have now extended it to 3rd of September 2026. Now, just to make things easy for you, these are the list of properties that have been sold out, in case if you go to your back office right now, okay, and you decided to buy maybe or purchase a fraction of one of these properties, it's going to tell you that it has been sold out. Okay, so there are about 8 properties now, or real estates, that has been sold out. Okay, apartment, house, desert villa, villa in LA, the Villa Mao, the commerce villa, commercial business office space, and the land plots. So all of these has been sold out, as you can see from this screen. Okay, this is one of my slides that I've used for my recent presentation, and I don't just want to sit here and tell you to go and purchase this property without even showing you the examples and screenshot of people that have actually benefited from this promo. So here are some of the people that have benefited from this promo. Okay, as you can see, this is a live screenshot from people's back office that are in estate that have participated and took advantage of this promo. So this guy purchased 99,400, okay, development property, and he was given equivalent, which is 100% match of that money in Venetian Villa. You can see there, it's all written there, right? This is not a fake screenshot. This real screenshots from people's account in estate. Now the middle one here shows you again another $24,000 that was purchased on the Sunset Villa, and estate now credited this account with another 24,000. This actually is from one of my team members, so I actually helped this my team member to get this done. So you can see that these are screenshot that are from back office. The same thing with this one. I also helped this our member to purchase the Somera Villa for $15,987, and then within 12 hours he got the Venetian Villa at 15,908. So altogether he has done a volume of $31,984. So this to me is one of the best opportunities for you to jump in. Now this is another screenshot of one other of our members that did $1,014 on Desert Villa. Okay, now after doing this Desert Villa, estate now credited his account within 12 hours in Venetian Villa with the same amount of money. You can see there. Right now, the funny thing is, immediately after this guy finished doing his Desert Villa, within few hours the Desert Villa was sold out, as you can see from this screenshot. Okay, let me go back here. So you can see that Desert Villa is part of the real estate that has been sold out. So the point I am trying to make, okay, with this screenshot is, if you don't hurry up, you are going to end up purchasing properties that are low in value, as you can see this one, right? So if you don't hurry up, you are going to miss, I'm sure you are going to miss this lake house if you are in the 1,000 category of people that are looking to purchase property here, okay, to benefit from this promo. So hurry up before lake house finishes. Okay, you don't want that to happen to you. Okay, otherwise you are going to be looking at 10,000 for Somera Villa. Okay, so that is what I have to say to you guys. The good news, as I said, is that the promo has been extended to the 3rd of September. So hurry up and grab a piece of those properties that are currently available, so that you will benefit from the promo. All right, it's 100% match. You buy one, you get one free. Basically, you double your portfolio, you double your investment, you increase your daily earnings, because instead of you to make profit from your just one property, you are now making profit from 2 properties, okay, including the one that is free, that's been given to you by estate. So jump in with the link below this video description. If you are brand new and you've not registered in estate, I recommend you use the link below this video description to register, okay, and then complete your KYC and purchase your property, so that you will benefit from this promo. All right, otherwise, thank you and God bless.